Hi guys, welcome back to my English tropical garden. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be showing you my collection of these. Well, I was given one of these 18 months ago. I didn't have a collection, I had one. Now I've got 7. As it grows, bits come away on their own, and you just hang them up and treat them like you would any of these plants, which are called Spanish moss, old man's beard, Tillandsia eucinoid. That's it. I hope we got that right. Please correct me in the comments down below if I'm wrong. And I'm going to give it a little dunk. I've got some water down here. It's rainwater. Don't use tap water, just rainwater. Once a month, give them a little bit of fertiliser like this. This is an orchid fertiliser, but you can use a air plant fertiliser if you can get hold of it. Should be able to get hold of it on the internet. Of anything on the internet these days. So we'll give this little baby one a dunk in the water. You can leave it in there if you want, or just leave it in there till it turns from what will we say, sort of a light green or grey colour to bright green, like this one. So that's that one done. We'll put that one back. In the summer months I leave them outside hanging under this tree fern that I've got here, this great big tree fern, and give them a little bit of water once every 2 weeks. In the summer, in the winter, I put them in my conservatory. They're quite happy in there. Just give them that little drink once again, and they'll be fine. So if you see me again in 18 months, let's see. I've got 7 now. Should have 14, perhaps more. Perhaps I'll make it into a big business and sell them on eBay. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it gives you a little bit of an insight into keeping these plants. They are great in a tropical garden, that's for sure. And so easy. They don't need soil, don't need anything much really. A little bit of fertiliser, a little bit of love, care and attention. Remember that and you'll do fine. So thanks for watching this latest video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you all again next time. So it's bye from me and bye from my old man's beard. Not this one. Those ones.